Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BJ Special. So in today's video we're going to be making party jollof rice. Yes, we are going to be making party jollof rice. If this is a video you are interested in watching, please make sure you support your girl and watch this video to the very end. Before any other thing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you can share this video, please help me share this video. So guys, what I prepared here was a pint of rice. So I had to divide the rice into two because I don't have a pot that is wider enough to carry the rice. So guys, this particular rice I prepared here can serve 35 people. Yes. So if you have not watched the video on how I made this stew, you can check my previous video on how I made this stew. I made this cooking very easy in case of someone that wants to make a food or prepare a food for party of 30 to 35 people. This is the pint of rice that I prepared, and I shared on how I prepared the stew. I used the stew in making the one pint of rice. So this video is going to be helpful for one who is planning a get together or maybe a party for 30 people. So guys, for the stew I used in making this party jollof rice, I'm going to leave the link of that particular stew in the description box. So if you're interested in watching that video on how I prepared the stew, the link will be in the description box for you. Hey guys, if you're making a party jollof rice and you don't have a bay leaf, something is wrong. Make sure you have your bay leaf. There is no party jollof rice without bay leaf. So here I've already parboiled my rice, and I'm going to be dividing the one pint of rice into two because I'll be using two pots for this rice. I don't have a bigger pot for it, so I'm going to divide the one pint of rice into two. So this is the second pot. I'm going to add the remaining rice into this pot and cover. So guys, let's check this pot because it's boiling already. Let's know how far the rice have gone. I made this cooking very easy, very easy. You can go and watch the previous video on how I prepared this stew. It was that pot of stew I used in making this pint of jollof rice. You can test and adjust the seasoning. If it is not okay, you can test and adjust the seasoning, or maybe if the seasoning I use is not okay by you, you can use your own seasoning or any other type of seasoning you want to use for the party jollof rice. So guys, here I have some veggies. I'll be going in with these veggies to garnish the party jollof rice. You can choose not to add the veggies if you don't like it, but it is a good deal. I love adding veggies into my party jollof rice. So guys, if you have watched this video to this particular time, I really do appreciate you. Please, if you have not given this video a thumbs up, do well to give this video a thumbs up. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, as we have amazing recipes to share with you people. Actually, camera did not do justice to this cooking video, but in everything we move. You can see that. Just give it a quick stir. My party jollof rice is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.